In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to write video descriptions. This is a quick way to generate clear and engaging descriptions for your videos. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a video description. For example, I might type, "Write a video description for a tutorial about beginner photography tips." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a video description, usually including a short summary of the video and key points viewers will learn. If I want the description to be more detailed, I can include more information in my prompt, such as the topic, audience, or main points covered in the video. For example, I might type, "Write a video description for a tutorial about smartphone photography for beginners." Claude can also help add keywords, hashtags, or a call to action to make the description more engaging. Once the description is ready, I can copy the text and paste it into the description section of my video platform. And that's it. I've successfully created a video description using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.